SunshowerOnline is an irrigation and garden lighting retailer. We service the DIY market and professional contractors. Before we were running on NetSuite, we ran our inventory through a product called Fishbowl inventory. We weren't able to extract any of the data that we wanted. We found that we'd have these great customers that were buying repeat from us, but we couldn't really extract what they were buying, how much they were buying, how frequently they were buying in any meaningful way. We had a particular challenge with the old system with our online pricing. It was all set manually and individually. There was no system to it or anything like that, and there was no capability for us to do that, so we had to do it manually. Since moving to NetSuite, our business has grown 40% and our net profit has grown 50% with no increase in headcount. And that's really even before scratching the surface on our growth plans. It's just from finding internal business efficiencies. In the 18 months since switching to NetSuite, our SKU count has doubled. NetSuite has enabled our picking and packing teams to really get more efficient. Since switching, our pick pack time has dropped by 25%. NetSuite Inventory Management has enabled our company to be proactive with the way we set our pricing. Through the customisations, we're able to ensure that every price is set at a margin that we want at each transaction, at a level that we're happy with and the customer is happy with. We've really enjoyed working with AI to improve how we work with the platform, and we're looking forward as well to enjoying all of the embedded AI capabilities that are to come. The future for SunshowerOnline is expanding our digital B2B capability and expanding our footprint across the country.